Ito po ang tamang stretching ng body. Stretch your arms like this and wave it. This. You do it 12 times a day and you will feel more excited. Stop. Okay naman. Stop mo na. The body weight lifting.
Macho, macho. Agar. Pabaya.
You do it on your... Yeah.
Yeah. Naman pala.
Ito sa'yo, Bulma.
You do it on your... Yeah.
Toto, yung ano,
And
yung
these
net.
two versions,
Yung net.
yeah, you will do this like this. Do it like this.
Hmm?